Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a live color picker. So as you guys can see, I named this slider experiment. In fact it's slider experiment 2. So previously I made a slider experiment for like a carousel, just that you can use the slider and you can change from one image to another image. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a customized slider color picker from scratch. So as you can see, we got red here, right? You can increase the red, so it can become really red, all the way to 255, and decrease that. Of course, you can change your green here, all the way really bright green, and of course, you can change the blue. Let me just change just one thing, and then you guys can actually see the result. Okay, and of course we can mix it up. So for example, we got this red and green. If you mix it together, you got it's just a basic color theory. You mix this together, you got yellow, and of course you can add a little bit of blue, so you can have a let me just decrease the red a little bit. Okay, so blue and green, let me just give it, yeah, so you got a lighter bluish color, and this is like a cyan. Okay, and of course you can just mix it up, so adding a little bit of red. Okay, so you got purple, brilliant. You can decrease the blue, and you can increase the green, and basically you can actually make whatever color that you want. So for example, you want like a brownish color, you can I believe you can adjust like this, and maybe add a little more. Yeah, green. Yeah, we got this brownish color. That's brilliant. Yeah, so how to do that? Really simple. Let's do that from scratch. And by the way, did you know that I got a Patreon now? So I got a Patreon of Code with William Jamming, and you can click. I believe every video I got like a description that link to the Patreon. So right now, let me just bring you this. So right now it's the latest update to August 26th, which is the date when I record this video, right? And we got all the current project source code, and you can right now I also write like step-by-step tutorial, so you guys can actually if you don't want to watch the video version, you want to watch text version, you can also do that. I believe you can click here. So for example, you can click here, you can do that, and of course you can unlock if you join the Patreon, you can unlock like a bigger project. So this for project, this is the website that I built. Okay, right. So if you are interested, you're more than welcome to join Patreon. You can download all the code, all the projects. You can even use that commercially, or or change or modify my project and make your own project. Okay, so yeah, let's get to it. All right, let's start from scratch. So we got this content view, we got this var. Of course, we're going to build that here, but instead of just to build that, we are going to declare a multiple state variable. Okay, so state and private and var. So what I'm going to do is to declare 3 values. We got like basic color is the red, green, as well as blue, and that's exactly what we are going to declare. So red value and blue value, and yeah, let me just quickly got it. So let me just copy it, and 1, 2, 3, and then just different red value that equals to 0.0, and we got this blue value or green value, sorry, green value 0.0, and we also got a blue value be 0.0. Okay, and just decrease, just delete all that, and we got the body of VStack. Okay, and at the beginning of the VStack, I'm going to declare a text, and I'm going to say this will be the live color picker. Okay, I use British spelling of color. Okay, of course you can make it bigger. Let me just make it preview actually working. So we can make a font. Just to make it a little bit bigger. So title. Of course, if you want like a really large title, you can do that. But I personally I do not like this preview because normally it does not work if you like using like a really complex project. Most of the time it would just not work and just stop updating. I don't know why. Maybe it's Apple's and Xcode. To be honest, it's really like not so good IDE for you to use. I'm going to add a little bit front white and just to make it a bold. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And of course, you can use previously in demo I used a rounded rectangle. Then you can use your corner radius. Of course, you can use a circle. Let me just use a circle. Just to show you that we can actually do a lot of adjustments. Okay, we can add a specific frame, and we can say a specific width, and that width will be say 300. Just make it a little bit smaller, and of course we can have a specific height of say 300. Okay, so of course you can make it smaller. So for example 200, you can do that as well. Okay, doesn't really matter. So maybe 300. Okay, of course, if you want just exact the same at the beginning of the video, you can just make your like rounded rectangle, something like that. Rounded rectangle. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I just want a little bit of variation and just want to show you that how versatile the SwiftUI is. Okay, and then here come to the tricky part. We're going to use the foreground style rather than color. And I'm going to use the color. You have to use American spelling. So color, and I'm going to get hold of this red value. So red will be red value. Don't forget to divide it by 255 because you have to normalize this. And then we got the green, and we're going to use the green color, green value. Sorry about that. Divide by 255, and then you can use the blue. Yeah, the last one will be blue, and then you can use the blue value, then divide it. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, blue value divided by 255. Yeah, that should do it. So this is the end of the color, and then end of the foreground color. Then you can have a padding just to make it more, yeah, interesting. Okay, and yeah, pretty good. So remember, everything is inside of the stack. Okay, so we can say like vertically. Then we can add a yeah. What about yeah? We can just use a slider. Okay, so we can say a text, and that will be say first one will be red. So red slider. Since it's like a style slider experiment, so I'm going to use all that. Yeah, maybe make it bold a little bit. So font dots, large type footnotes. Yeah, subtitle. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. Okay, title 2. Yeah, pretty good. So we can have like 1, 2, 3 here. Instead of red, I'm going to change that to green, and then change this to blue. Okay, so we got like 3 text, and then we can add 3 slider. So slider, and this slider's value will be the binding of the red value. Okay, pretty simple, and we can set a specific range, starting from 0 all the way to 255, because we're going to like normalize this. So you can do that, and of course you can. You have a specific text trailing. So I'm going to add a little bit hints of color red. So color, and yeah, let me just dot red. Okay, dot red, and yeah, and then I'm going to have a. Oh, you can have a slider that that sort of a trailing. Yeah, maybe trailing a text, or okay, I want to wrap everything inside of edge stack because I'm going to do that horizontally. Okay, so it's much more organized, and I'm going to adding a text that can input that specific value. Okay, and things like gradually change. I'm going to put that inside of int. okay, and int, I'm going to get hold of the red value, and dot, I think it's 0.0 start, so I have to round this. So round, not round it up, but just round it. Okay, you can round up or down. Yeah, right now I think it's default round. We'll just do the work, and then interpolation. Okay, so int, let me just add a lot of things, so I have to be sure. Okay, open this, and open this. So at least I got like a 3 here, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that should do. Hopefully, finger crossed. String interpolation can only apply to a string literal. So red value, already got this, the red value here, and we got this rounded. Yeah. Yeah, sorry about that. It's a string interpolation, so we have to be inside the string. Yeah, so just the tiny things that make your code error free. So yeah, then basically you can copy and paste all that. So yeah, I changed my mind. I just copy and paste, so I can do this much quicker. Instead of the red value, I'm going to change it to blue, green. I think it's green, and then there will be the blue, and all that will be the blue value, right? All that will be green value, and things is that it's a green, so I'm going to tilt it to green. This is blue, I'm going to tilt it to blue. Yeah. So the text here will not matter, so I'm going to delete this. Okay, so we got right now I got like a 3 slider here. Cannot call the value, remove. So what I'm missing, cannot exactly match and call. Okay, so yeah, rounded. Sorry about that. So yeah, that got be some of the places that I did not do it correctly. So start with int. Oh yeah, I got it. So I shouldn't adding this binding, so that's the reason. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I believe that's pretty much it. And because we already got this slider, then you can actually test this out. Okay, let's just test this. Okay, so basically you change the value, you refresh it, you got this a two-way binding. Okay, so add a dollar sign is a two-way binding. You can change this value, and it will affect the value here since the state variable, and then the whole view will get refreshed, and you can change the text here. And what is more importantly is that you can get this trailing modifier color got this red value is like a read value, you broadcast this, and you can receive this changed value, and you normalize it by 255. You divide that, and then you got like specific range 0 all the way to 1, and then you can change it. And yeah, voila, that's another slider that I just change it live and make it like a rounded. Okay, so don't forget, if you think my video is helpful, I got tons of videos I record every day. I got like right now I got 400 500 maybe. Okay, so yeah, I got tons of starter project, so you can just use that commercially. Okay, thanks for your time, and don't forget to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to my channel. If you want to support me or download my code or use that commercially, whatever, just join the Patreon to support me. Right? Thanks. Bye.